Sous-Vide ribeye. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be coating our steaks with extra virgin olive oil on both sides. Generous amounts of salt and pepper, just like so. Very nice. From here, we're going to be adding in garlic thyme on top, placing this into our vacuum sealer. Vacuum this just like so. Marinate overnight or up to 30 minutes to 3 hours. Putting this at 130 degrees and cooking this for a total of almost 2 hours. An hour minimum. Placing this right into our water bath just like so. And let it do its magic. When ready, we're going to be searing this on high just like so. On both sides. Torch for a crisper sear. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Add some parmesan butter right on top from HEB. And we have an amazing steak. Serving this with Annabella Napa Cab. Aromas of red cherry, blueberries, and black fig. Rich and broadly texture with layers of flavors of blackberry espresso and toasted oak. Amazing. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.